Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today we have two dash cams going head-to-head. On the left, we have the REDTIGER F7N dash cam hardwire kit, and on the right we have the DKK dash cam 1080p Full HD. Let's dive right into it. The REDTIGER F7N comes in at a budget-friendly $25, while the DKK dashcam is priced at $99. Now I know what you're thinking. Why would I spend more when I can get a dashcam for a quarter of the price? Well, my friend, there's more to it than meets the eye. The REDTIGER F7N boasts an easy installation process with its hidden cable design. No more messy cables dangling around your car. On the other hand, the DKK dashcam comes with additional accessories like a crowbar and cable clips to make installation even easier. Plus, it offers two mounting options, a suction cup and a 3M bracket. Talk about flexibility. The REDTIGER F7N offers 24 hours of surveillance thanks to its hardwire connection to your car battery or fuse box. It also has low voltage protection and multiple security features to ensure your peace of mind. On the flip side, the DKK dashcam comes with a mini front and rear camera combo capturing all three lanes of the road. It even has super night vision and a parking monitor. Impressive, right? The REDTIGER F7N records in high definition, delivering clear and crisp footage. However, the DKK dashcam takes it up a notch with its IPS display, WDR function, and colorful video recordings. It's like watching a movie but with your own car as the star. The REDTIGER F7N offers a 1-year free replacement warranty for any quality problems. On the other hand, the DKK dashcam takes it to the next level with a lifetime warranty and a reliable customer care team available 24/7. Talk about peace of mind. The REDTIGER F7N dashcam hardwire kit and the DKK dashcam 1080p Full HD. Both had their strengths, but it ultimately comes down to your personal preferences and budget. Well, there you have it, folks. The REDTIGER F7N dashcam hardwire kit and the DKK dashcam 1080p Full HD. Both had their strengths, but it ultimately comes down to your personal preferences and budget. Remember, always do your research before making a purchase. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.